Hello, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take the MCQs of the growth of nationalism. First question. When was Indian National Congress established? In 1885. When was the feeling of nationalism emerged? During the British rule as a reaction against the British rule. When was the culmination of traditional opposition to British rule emerged? With the First War of Independence. Which was the main factor aroused opposition to the British rule? Economic exploitation. Who were the main victims of the British colonial policies? The peasants. What was against the interest of Indian trade and industry? British economic policy. Who were crippled because of the British economic policy? The artisans and craftsmen. Which social class emerged with the growth of modern industries of the British? Working class. What did all sections of Indian society feel about their economic salvation? The economic salvation lay in freeing themselves from British rule. What was the catalyst for the growth of nationalist movement? Lord Lytton's repressive colonial policies. Name the event organized by Lord Lytton to proclaim Queen Victoria as the Empress of India. The Grand Delhi Darbar. Which bill provided for the trial of British or European persons by Indians? Ilbert Bill. The event that highlighted the racial attitude of the British. Withdrawal of Ilbert Bill. Who introduced Vernacular Press Act and Indian Arms Act? Lord Lytton. What did the educated Indians feel about their path of progress? Acceptance of the best of the East and West. Name some prominent reform movements. Brahmo Samaj, started by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Arya Samaj by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Vivekananda's Ramakrishna Mission and Satya Shodak Samaj by Jyotiba Phule. What was the belief of Brahmo Samaj? Monotheism. What is monotheism? Belief in one God. Who passed a law that made sati illegal? William Bentinck. Whose effort made sati illegal? Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the person who was behind this bill. Who called Raja Ram Mohan Roy the father of Indian Renaissance and prophet of Indian nationalism? Rabindranath Tagore. It can be asked in the other way. Who was called the father of Indian Renaissance and prophet of Indian nationalism? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. An urban educated member of the low caste, Jyotiba Phule. Who considered women superior to men? Jyotiba Phule. Then, the book written by Jyotiba Phule in which the hardships and distress of the low caste is described. Gulamgiri. Then, who used the word Swaraj for the first time? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Prominent newspapers of the 19th century. Amrit Bazar Patrika, the Bengali, the Tribune, the Pioneer, the Times of India, the Hindu, etc. Who proclaimed the superiority of Indian culture and civilization? Swami Vivekananda and Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The slogan raised by Swami Dayanand Saraswati, India for the Indians. The first political association started in India. Landholder Society in Kolkata. The association founded in London by Dadabhai Naoroji. That is the East India Association. Who is called the Grand Old Man of India? Dadabhai Naoroji. What was the belief of Dadabhai Naoroji about the British? He believed that the British were basically just and good. Who started Indian Association? Surendranath Banerjee. The provincial organization to Indian National Congress. The Indian National Conference. The organization that merged with the Indian National Congress in 1886, the Indian National Conference. Who laid the foundation of Indian National Congress? A.O. Hume. Then, where was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? In Mumbai. Then, who presided the first meeting of the Indian National Congress? Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. How many people attended? How many representatives attended the first meeting of Indian National Congress? 72 delegates. Who suggested the name for Indian National Congress? Dadabhai Naoroji. Who was the viceroy who favored the formation of the Indian National Congress? That is Viceroy Lord Dufferin. What did Lord Dufferin say about Indian National Congress? He called it as a safety valve for the popular discontent of the Indians. That's all about growth of nationalism. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Study well. God bless. Thank you for watching.